Sometimes it's too much. I wish that I could tell what you were thinking. I hate that I slip up when I've been drinking. Oh well, I can't help myself. I'm getting really tired of this back and forth. Why don't we just get into this driving force on me? There's something between.
Yeah.